Vegan Reese'S? Yes, please. Let's get into this recipe. To make the peanut butter, you'll add some peanuts to a food processor and blend them up. Use the spatula to scrape down the sides as you go. Add some salt, process some more, and the mixture should turn nice and firm. Add that to a stand mixer with white and brown sugar, some salt, and vanilla extract, and mix it up until it's crumbly in texture. Now we'll make the chocolate. Get a double boiler going and add your semi-sweet chips and allow them to melt down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add your chocolate ingredients and continue to mix in with the spatula and it will thicken up. Finish off with some almond milk and mix in until it's nice and glossy. You can pour that into a squeeze bottle to help with filling the molds. I got these molds on Amazon and I'll link it in the description for you. Add some chocolate to the bottom, tamp it down, and pop it in the freezer for 20 minutes. Once hardened, take it out, roll your peanut butter balls and fill in the molds, and then fill in the remaining with all the chocolate. Pop it back into the freezer for a couple hours, take it out, and there they are, your vegan Reese'S peanut butter cups. They look gorgeous and they taste even better. I've already eaten like 1,000 of these guys. I'm not sure what to do with my life. I think I'm going to need some help. So hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much.